One of these strawberry shortcake good humor bars. Aren't they delicious? And everybody's most favorite part is that crunchy bit outside. You ever wonder how that's made? Well, if so, watch my little TikTok because I'm gonna show you what you need and how to make it. First thing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna need 2 bowls. One for a box of strawberry gelatin, one for a box of vanilla pudding. Next, you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour to each bowl. All right, we got our flour in. Now I'm just gonna take my little whisk and I'm gonna mix these up. Next, you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of softened butter. I don't have any sticks of butter, so we're just gonna use this. It works, I've done it before. My mixtures are all mixed up and now I'm gonna add in the softened butter. Now that we got our butter in, I'm gonna use a fork and mix it up. Stay tuned for part 2. Okay, so I just took these out of the oven. This is what they look like. Some little spots are gonna burn. Remember, this is sugar. You don't have to add these into your final product. Now, like I said, I just took these out of the oven. They need to cool completely. As you can tell, this is more like gummy. Not really gummy, but it's gonna be more hard than this one. So once they cool off, we'll move on to our next step. Okay, so now that both of these are cool to the touch, we're gonna start breaking them up. This, as you can see, is a little hard. It's a lot hard. But we're gonna put this in a food processor and chop it up. And same with this, or you can just crumble this, but I think I'm gonna put this in the food processor as well. Stay tuned for the final part. All right, final part. Mix them all together. Look at that. You can make any kind of flavor combinations with this. You can do chocolate pudding with vanilla pudding for cookies and cream. You can do orange gelatin, lime gelatin, whatever you want. Just put it on some ice cream. You could put it on your cakes. Do whatever your little heart desires. And that is how you make a homemade strawberry shortcake crumble. It is so good. I think it even tastes better than the original stuff. Dangerous. So good.